Hi there, I'm Simon Bronson and I'm talking about Plexus group intersections today. I'll give you a little idea of how to do the kind of spiderwebby effect that I've done in some of my videos, such as this one for Pausefest. It was using a logo and then using another mask to get that intersecting line look, which is pretty straightforward. First of all, we start with a solid, and in Illustrator I've already created a logo and I'm copying and pasting that into After Effects. You'll see that the logo is made out of 3 masks, and I'll just add Plexus now to the solid. Masks are regarded as paths, and what I'm going to do now is rename the masks so we can distinguish them into different groups. Just call this group 1. It's already set to group 1. We don't need the points, but we'll put the line render on. And I'm going to add another path, which will be the intersecting path. And this one I'll label as 2, and then set the mask name in the path object 2 to 2, so anything with that as the prefix will be in group 2. At the moment the renderer is set to all groups, but we're going to say different groups, which adds a sort of bull effect. It'll sort of add that spiderwebby thing where you get the plexus intersecting only between the different groups. We'll just set some keyframes at each end. And that's it really. That's how I got that effect. You can also change the distance as well, which gives a pretty cool effect as well. Yep, so that's it, different groups. These are a couple of other examples I've done. This one's with lights. So there's different groups, one for the lights and one for the masks. The mask is on group 2, I think, and then the lights are group 1. And then it's only going to draw the plexus in between those 2 different groups. This one is the same theory again, but I'm using the colours of the actual masks to determine the colours. So we have the blue is intersecting with our red, and because the colour maps are different, it'll sort of tween the colours in between those 2. I've labelled one M, one P. It doesn't really matter as long as that is the first letter. So I hope you found that helpful. Send me a tweet if you liked it, and hopefully I'll talk about Plexus again very soon. Thanks.